Kitten Finance, advancing DeFi. Kitten Finance is a DeFi ecosystem, with our own designs of lending, swap, option and more. Kitten Finance aims to provide volatility surfaces and yield curves for all smart contracts and dApps. Kitten Finance is building decentralized swaps and clearing services for crypto assets and derivatives, from options and swaps to bonds and forwards. Kitten Finance aims to provide volatility surfaces and yield curves for all smart contracts and dApps. Fantom is a layer 1 blockchain that supports interoperability, evm-compatible, consensus mechanism, multi-threading, cross-chain, smart contracts, on-chain governance, multi-sig, inter-blockchain communication, sharding and staking reward to 15%. Established Ethereum projects can be moved over and traded with Fantom's sub-second finality and for gas fees of just a few cents.